Pag nagyaya na ba ng date ang girl, 50-50 sa gastos? Or ako lang magbabayad? Well, here's the thing Well, ako personally, how I approach this is kung sino yung nag-invite, siya dapat yung magbabayad. So kung ikaw yung nag-invite, then she agreed, ikaw yung magbabayad. Kung siya nagyaya ng date, then siya magbabayad. I mean, it's like inviting your friends out for a drink, diba? Kung niyaya mo sila mag-inom, then yeah, you're inclined to pay for the drinks kasi ikaw nagyaya eh. And by the same token, kung sila naman yung nagyaya sa'yo, dapat sila yung magbabayad. Actually, this is a great way to vet the girl that you are dating, no? Kasi from my experience, yung mga babae, nag-o-offer sila magbayad or mag-share dun sa bill. And that is actually a good thing kasi from there, nakikita mo na yung personality ng babae. Yung personality na she is a giver. Ang ginagawa ko na lang kapag nangyayari yung ganun, sasabi ko na lang na, hey, you know what? This round's on me. You could just take care of the next round. If the girl is like that, then that is actually a plus for me kasi I know that she's a giver. Ngayon, especially kapag first time mo palang makakadate yung babae, wala kang ka-idea kung ano talagang klaseng personality meron yung babaeng yun. Whether if she's a giver or not. And hindi mo alam kung hahatian ka ba sa bill or hindi. So ang advice ko na lang sa inyo is to expect na kayo ang magbabayad ng bill at the end of the date. So having said that, kung alam nyo naman na hindi kayo loaded ng pera for that evening, huwag nyo naman siguro silang yayain sa mga extravagant places, no, na alam nyong hindi nyo makakover yung bill. Baka mamaya kasi yung budget nyo for that date is 5,000 pesos tapos ay yayain mo sila sa 5-star restaurant. Kasi yung iniisip mo, hahatian ka naman ng kadate mo. Huwag naman ganoon, sigarilyo. Kailangan kung saan kayo magde-date, naka-base yan kung magkano yung budget mo. Para just in case na hindi nga mag-share si kadate mo, you still got it covered. So the bottom line here is, kung ikaw yung nagyaya ng date, you should expect to pay for it. Hindi yung nagyaya ka ng date tapos nag-expect ka na hahatian ka ng bill. If she offers to give you a share, then that's a good sign na giver yung babae. Plus points yan in my book, to be honest. Well, I hope nakatulong ko sa inyo and follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Hush!